Ro here with Loyalty Roofing once again. We are in Lexington, Grimes Road today. We just opened up this flat roof. It's supposed to be a 2-year-old EPDM rubber roof system. You can tell by how young the skylights are. And look how much water, folks, underneath this roof. And look at all this Mickey Mouse shit that was done here once they installed these skylights. Jesus, Mary, Joseph. Look how wet this roof is. If you don't know how to identify wetness on the roof, if you're new to this, all these darkness, that's all wet. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Yeah, so be careful out there, folks. I get a lot of people saying to me sometimes when I'm presenting my estimates, oh, but your price is too high. Sir, is the price that's high, or is it that people's cutting corners and you have no idea where the corners are being cut? I mean, look at this carpentry work. Look at this. What the hell is this? This is a foam that they put under so this would appear to be flat. And this is not what this should look like, folks. I'm sorry, but if you are going with people only solely based in price, you are screwing nobody but yourself and the whole industry. Jesus Christ, this is a shame to my profession. Look at this. Look how bad this is. This looks like a desert. Because it's being wet and dry to the point that this disintegrated itself.